This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel vermicelli, full guide. Heat a heavy pan over medium heat and toast broken vermicelli until golden brown, stirring constantly to avoid burning. Melt butter and add toasted vermicelli, stirring to coat. Pour in condensed milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt, then simmer gently until mixture thickens and caramelizes, about 6 to 8 minutes. Cool slightly before serving. Keep an eye on heat to prevent burning and achieve a smooth caramel. Adjust sugar to taste. Use brown sugar for deeper flavor or white sugar for lighter sweetness. For a creamier texture, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of milk or cream towards the end. Fold in toasted nuts like almonds or pistachios for crunch. Serve warm with a sprinkle of cinnamon or cardamom for aromatic balance. To fix grainy caramel, stir vigorously off heat and add a splash of warm milk to smooth it out. If sauce separates, return to low heat and whisk until emulsified. For setting issues, cook a bit longer until the mixture reaches a thicker ribbon stage. Store cooled caramel vermicelli in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Reheat gently before serving to restore texture and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.